Alright, this will be a video on how to replace a belt on the Dyson DC7 or DC14 vacuum cleaner. And this is assuming you already have the clutch removed. Here's the clutch. First thing you want to do, there's a little clip right here. Just put your finger underneath it and pull down, and the clip will come off. Next, there's two screws right here. Just go ahead and take those out. They're number 10 Torx. After you have those two screws out, there's a little tab on the back. What you want to do is get a flat screwdriver and just put it in and push in and up, and then just come in and pull it off. Pull it straight up. Now if all you have to do is change this belt, that's the easy one. Put a new belt in, reverse the process, you're done. We want to replace the belt that goes in here. So inside is a little piece of, looks like brake pad material, and this little this is what rides on it. Just take those parts apart and you have this. All this is under a lot of spring pressure. So what you want to do, inside on this end, there's a little retaining ring clip. So what I use to get that out is a pair of pliers. I bought these at Sears. You want to pull this clip out, but as soon as you release this retaining ring, all the innards are going to come out because of the spring. So make sure you have this on your table flat and just hold on to it. Push down and remove the clip. Now that clip's removed, if I can get it out, I'll show you what it looks like. Put it down here. That's a 1/4 inch retaining ring. I'll set that aside. Now that that ring is off, you can just lift up on this outer casing and all the innards come out. So I'll show you how this is put together. That's what the belt rides on. Then you have a couple ball bearings, another plate, a spring, and a washer. So how these go together, I'll lay them out in the order they go. Pretty much like that. You just put these together in that order. I'll go ahead and do that, reassemble it.